How to block someone on Zangi Messenger app. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily block someone using the Zangi Messenger app. First thing you have to do is open up the application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you should be able to get to your chat section. And if you've added someone, you can just go ahead and start chatting with them. Here you will see your call history as well as your contacts. So go ahead and click on continue if you want to allow access for your contact. Now, in order to block someone, you can directly go to their profile and block them, or you could add them to your block list from your settings. Tap on the gear icon at the bottom right, then find privacy settings. Now here you'll find something called blocked. And then if you have blocked someone, they will be displayed on this list. And you can just go ahead and click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now just search for the contact that you want to block. And once you search for the contact, once they show up on your screen, you can just click on the block option and their contact will be blocked. That is pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically block someone on Zangi Messenger app. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.